This chart represents the price movement of Bitcoin, BTC, against the US dollar, USD, on the Coinbase exchange. Here's a detailed breakdown of the indicators and trends. Key points from the chart's price. Bitcoin is currently priced at around $62,653, showing a slight decline of 0.85% on the day. Exponential moving averages, EMA. The 20-day EMA is around $62,123.38, and the 50-day EMA is at $61,566.73. The price is hovering near these EMAs, which often acts as dynamic support or resistance. The close proximity of the EMAs indicates the market might be in a consolidation phase. Indicators MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. MACD line is slightly negative with a value of negative 65.84. The signal line is at 556.65, and the MACD histogram is at 622.49, indicating weakening bullish momentum and the potential for a trend reversal or further sideways movement. RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI is at 52.97, close to neutral, signaling neither overbought nor oversold conditions. This suggests that the market could go in either direction, depending on incoming volatility or fundamental catalysts. Williams %R. The Williams %R is at negative 43.95, leaning towards a neutral zone, but not indicating any immediate overbought or oversold conditions. Trend summary. The chart reflects a mostly sideways consolidation trend, with Bitcoin struggling to break significantly above the resistance levels at $63,000. The slight bearish divergence in MACD and the neutral RSI suggest caution for short-term bullish momentum. Current events affecting the chart include several key factors. Market sentiment. Bitcoin's movement could be influenced by recent market sentiment around inflation, central bank policies, and global economic conditions. Regulatory news. Any developments in crypto regulations or new Bitcoin ETFs approvals could have a positive or negative impact on the price. Institutional activity. An influx of institutional investments or large-scale sell-offs could impact the price trend. In summary, the chart is showing some hesitancy in the current price action with mixed signals in the technical indicators, suggesting a wait-and-see period for traders. Bitcoin is currently in a range-bound market with no strong indication of either a breakout or breakdown. This chart represents the Volatility Index, or VIX, for the S&P 500 on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. The VIX is a popular measure of the stock market's expected volatility over the next 30 days, often referred to as the fear gauge. Detailed breakdown, price movement. The VIX is currently at 20.46, down 2.25% from the previous close. The VIX is generally considered high when above 20, signaling increased market fear or uncertainty. However, a decline of 2.25% indicates easing concerns in the market for the moment. Exponential moving averages. The 20-day EMA is 19.12 and the 50-day EMA is 18.11. The price is above both EMAs, which is often a bullish signal. However, given that this is the VIX, this can imply market volatility is expected to rise. Indicators, MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD line is at 0.35, the signal line is at 1.01, and the histogram is at 0.66. The MACD is positive but weakening, suggesting a possible decrease in volatility. The small gap between the MACD and signal line indicates that volatility may stabilize in the short term. RSI, or Relative Strength Index. RSI stands at 55.78, signaling that the VIX is neither overbought nor oversold. A neutral RSI indicates that the market sentiment is somewhat balanced between fear and complacency. Williams %R. The Williams %R is at minus 32.52. Suggesting that the VIX is neither strongly overbought nor oversold, in line with the neutral RSI reading. Trend summary. The VIX is currently in a neutral zone. The slight drop in the VIX price indicates that fears of immediate market volatility are subsiding, but the current price above 20 shows that overall market uncertainty remains. If the price falls below both EMAs, it would suggest that volatility is decreasing and investor sentiment is stabilizing. Current events. Impacting the VIX global economic factors, central bank policies, interest rate decisions, and inflation concerns are key factors driving volatility expectations in the market. Upcoming earnings season. Anticipation or reactions to corporate earnings reports may drive market fluctuations. Geopolitical events. Any geopolitical tensions or events, such as wars, trade negotiations, or government decisions, often have an immediate impact on volatility. In conclusion, the chart suggests that while market volatility is still present, it is stabilizing, with the VIX showing signs of decreasing. The chart is for ProShares Trust ProShares Ultra Bitcoin ETF, also known as BITU, on the daily time frame. Below is a breakdown of the key technical indicators. Price and moving averages. The price is $25.28, up by 11.37% for the day, indicating a strong positive movement. The 20-day EMA is $24.52. The 50-day EMA is $25.06. The price is slightly above both the 20-day and 50-day EMAs, suggesting a short-term bullish trend. The price is trading above both averages, indicating potential momentum to the upside. Indicators. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, shows the MACD line at 0.0921, the signal line at -0.5343, and the histogram at -0.6264. The MACD has crossed over the signal line, which is a bullish signal. However, the histogram is negative, suggesting that momentum is still weak but improving. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is at 52.42, which is in neutral territory. This suggests that BITU is neither overbought nor oversold, and there is room for the price to move in either direction. The Williams %R is at -50.68, which is also in neutral territory, reinforcing the RSI's message that there is no extreme buying or selling pressure at the moment. Summary. The overall trend appears to be bullish in the short term, as indicated by the price increase, the positive movement above the moving averages, and the bullish crossover on the MACD. The neutral RSI and Williams %R suggest there is no immediate risk of overbought conditions, and the upward movement could potentially continue. Trend. The recent price surge could indicate growing interest in Bitcoin-related ETFs, possibly driven by broader crypto market sentiment or related news. However, the MACD histogram suggests that while the bullish momentum is growing, it's still in the early stages of development. Overall, BITU shows a positive short-term trend with room for further gains if market conditions remain favorable.